It is early morning. Prasanna wakes up feeling refreshed and ready for the health checkup day.
Prasanna, did you pack all your medical reports?
Yes, Mum. Everything is packed.
Good. Did you book the appointment?
Yes, the appointment is at 10:30 a.m.
Make sure you eat a light breakfast and drink some water.
I had some biscuits and tea. I'm ready to go.
Prasanna leaves home and calls a taxi.
Sir, can you take me to City Care Hospital?
Yes, get in. Do you know the location?
Yes, it's near the bus stand on the right side.
All right, we should reach in about 12 minutes. Traffic is moderate.
No problem. Thank you.
Are you going for a regular checkup?
Yes, just a routine health checkup.
Good. Health is very important.
The taxi drives through the streets. Birds chirp and the city slowly wakes up. The taxi reaches the hospital. Prasanna pays the fare and walks inside.
Good morning. I have an appointment with Dr. Sharma.
Good morning. Your name, please.
Prasanna Kumar.
Your appointment is confirmed. Please go to the waiting area near room 203.
Thank you.
Prasanna sits in the waiting area reading health pamphlets. After a few minutes, Prasanna is called into the doctor's room.
Hello, Prasanna. How are you today?
I'm fine, doctor. I came for a routine checkup.
Any complaints recently?
Sometimes I feel tired and have mild headaches.
How long has this been happening?
About 2 weeks.
Okay. I will check your blood pressure, pulse, and do a basic examination first.
Doctor checks Prasanna's blood pressure and pulse.
Your blood pressure is slightly high today. Did you sleep well last night?
Not really, doctor. I slept late.
That can affect BP. I will still suggest some routine tests, blood tests, sugar, cholesterol, thyroid, and neck.
All right, doctor.
Prasanna goes to the diagnostic lab for tests.
Good morning. Your name, please.
Prasanna Kumar.
We will take your blood sample and check your BP again. Please sit here.
Okay.
Relax your left hand. You will feel a small pinch.
All right.
All done. Now we will do an ECG. Please lie down and stay still.
Done.
Reports will be ready in 1 hour. Please wait in the canteen.
Prasanna waits in the canteen drinking water and reading health brochures. After 1 hour, Prasanna collects the reports and goes back to the doctor.
Let's check your reports. Everything looks fine except your vitamin D is slightly low.
Is that serious, doctor?
No, it's common. You just need some sunlight and vitamin D supplements.
Okay, doctor.
I will give you a prescription. Take these tablets daily after food for 30 days.
Sure. Thank you, doctor.
Prasanna goes to the pharmacy.
Hello, can I get these medicines?
Sure, please give me your prescription.
Here it is.
All right. Take 1 tablet every morning after food. That's all.
Thank you very much.
Prasanna leaves the pharmacy and calls a taxi to return home.
Hello, get in. Where to?
Home, please.
Sure. We'll be there in 15 minutes.
The taxi drives through city streets. Birds are chirping. People are going to work. Prasanna arrives home and greets his mother.
Welcome back. How was the checkup?
Everything is normal. Doctor said my vitamin D is low, so I need supplements.
That's good news. Make sure you take care of your health.
Yes, Mom. I will take the tablets daily.
Prasanna keeps the medicines in the cupboard and relaxes for the rest of the day, feeling relieved that the checkup went well.